Hi there. Now we discuss DsP2 hybridization, which involve N-1D, the inner D subshell, and outer SNP subshells, DsP2 hybridization. It is mainly found in D block elements. They are especially complexes. Okay. See here, when the hybridization is DsP2, the geometry is square plane or something like this. And see, when the hybridization is square planar and when all the attachments are the same, then it has no geometrical isomerism. It has no geometrical isomerism because whichever way you rearrange them, you get only one thing. So there is no geometrical isomerism. If on the other hand, like a DX4, on the other hand, if one of the attachment is different, say DA3B. See, since all these positions are identical, wherever you place this B, we get the same thing. So there are also no geometrical isomerism possible. Now we have DA2B2 type. There two A's are there, two B's are there. You can arrange two A's at a 90 degree and two B's at a 90 degree. In that case, you have the cis isomer. Equally, you can place A this trans way and B the trans way. So you have trans isomer. So we come to the conclusion that when the formula is DA2B2 and when the hybridization is DsP2 leading to square planar geometry, it can give rise to both the cis and trans varieties. Now think about A2BC, central metal M, Ma2BC. Then also you have only two forms, the cis and trans. Here we say cis and trans with respect to A. When two A's come the cis way, we call it cis, and when the two A come trans way, we call it the trans. Okay. Now we have the last case when all the four attachments are different. All the four attachments are different. Okay. Look here. See how to get all the isomers without missing one of them. See, in entrance examination we know that if it were a subjective examination and you are asked to write all the possible isomers, suppose there are 5 isomers, you could draw up to 4 isomers, you will get up to that mark, up to answering those 4 answers, up to choosing 4 answers, you will be missing for that one case only. But if the same thing happen for entrance exam, what will happen? Instead of getting your answered mark, you will be getting negative mark. Why? Instead of 5, you chose 4. Okay. So we must be very careful while we answer such kind of answer, especially in entrance examinations. Okay. This is also the reason why for some we see that sometimes a more intelligent student score less mark, a less intelligent student score more mark. This happens in such kind of problems. Why? A more intelligent student, as I told you, get up to 4 isomers, he reports 4, whereas the correct answer is 5, he loses 1 mark. The other student who doesn't know, just leave the question as such without attempting, then he gets 0 mark. If such things happen for 3 or 4 questions, the mark will differ only by 4 or something, but the rank will fall very different. So we must be very careful not to miss even a single case. Okay, so our approach must be perfect. Look here. We proceed like this. You place A on one board, A as one board. Now place B opposite to it. Okay, A with the B opposite to it. Now think about C and D. You can place C and D like this. Okay, A, B, C, D. C, what about C coming over here and D coming over here? That is just the invert of this, like this. So they don't give 2 isomers. Keeping B on the opposite side, you have only 1 isomer because this and this are identical. Okay. Now again keep A there and now place C in the trans way. Then you have B and D here. Again, as I told you, DB, BD are identical. Now, lastly, A opposed to D, the third one. Okay. Now we have considered all cases with respect to A. Got that? Now we have to consider the case with respect to B as well as with respect to C as well as with respect to D. Okay. But you don't have to, because all these cases have been included. For example, look here. Take B as the reference. B opposite A. B opposite D. B opposite C. So all the cases of B have come. Now C opposite D. C opposite A. C opposite B. Okay. Now D. D opposite C. D opposite B. D opposite A. So what we come to the conclusion that all the cases have been covered. No more isomers you can draw. So actually there are only 3 isomers. You cannot name as cis or trans. You got that? Because all the groups are different. Okay. So you remember there will be a maximum 3 isomers when all the 4 groups are different, and the hybridization is DsP2. We haven't, in this section I haven't covered bidentate ligands, that we will come to discuss on another class. Okay, take care.